Hey, Couture Crafters. I am so excited about this album. I think it came out beautifully. It's a duplicate of the Pink album, which I have a tutorial for. Look for the Pink Holiday album. Here, I'm just showing you all the flip waterfall side there to the left. Magnetic closure with beautiful, vibrant red paper that opens up to reveal this little present. You flip them up. You undo this. There are some tags in there. Pull the tags out, do some more flips. Lots of opportunities for some small photos here, some more tags that I've thrown in. I've done some matting on the tags, and whoop, love that interactive portion there. Pull out the drawer. I have stuck stickers and more tags in for whomever gets this album to be able to play and decorate at their leisure, however they want to, if they want to add something, if they want to, whatever they want to do. I just gave them some fun bits there. And that house lives over there when it's not closing up your album. And you just put it back together and plop it in the box. And that's it. Thanks so much.